What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain the trades we provide in both the free group and the VIP group. If you're new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. Go check it out. Now let's move on to the video. This was a trade we provided in the free group on AUDCHF for a call side move. Let me explain the trade. Here you can see a red candle that closed above the moving average, and there was a strong uptrend. That's why we provided a signal for an upside move, and as you can see, this was a clean win. Moving on to the next trade, which we provided on EURCHF for a call side move in the VIP group. Here you can see a good uptrend. There was also a support level, if you notice, along with the moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was also a clean win. Now moving on to the next trade, again on EURCHF for a call side move in the VIP group. The logic was the same. There was a support level, and the trend was also upward. The previous candle left a wick indicating an upward move, so we provided a signal in the direction of the trend. This was also a clean win. Next, we have a trade on EURAUD for a call side move. The logic here was based on a support level. You can see that the red candle closed above the moving average, and the moving average was also supporting the trend. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was another clean win. The session ended here, and we won 4 non-martingale trades. All trades were taken without using a martingale strategy. If you want to avail our services, check the description. All the links are available there. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.